Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Thanks to your votes on my community page, today we're going to be drawing Camila Cabello from her Señorita video. So let's get started. To draw Camila Cabello, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and draw basically the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come right across, right here, and connect it. There's a basic bottom of a U for her face. Then let's come up where you started, and we're going to draw a circle right here on the edge for her eyes. And same thing on the other side. So go right here, right towards the edge. So then from there, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm coming here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom, same thing over here. Fix my circle a little bit, and same thing. Okay, so then from there, let's come to the sides right here, and we're just going to put in two simple lashes. Same thing over here, so two curves. And then let's come to the bottom right here and give her a sweet smile, so about right here. And then curve it up and cap it off. And then I'm going to come above her eye, so about right here, and just give her a brow. So just a soft curve and angle down. You can thicken it up. And same thing over here. Okay, so now let's go ahead and bring this curve up to finish her face. And I'm going to come pretty high up, so she has these bangs that come down, so I'm going to say about right here towards the center. About right here, I'll give myself a point, and I'm going to start to draw the bangs that come down. So they're going to come down close to her brow, and just draw some strands. And bring it in. So same thing over here towards her brow, nice and long. And tuck it in. Okay, so then let's come to the center, about right here, even higher up. And we're gonna draw a soft curve on each side. So this is where her hair parts, right in the center. And from there, let's bring this down on both sides. And about this area, I'm going to start to wobble a bunch of curves. Her hair is very curly. And start to bring it in. But before I finish any of that, let's come back and draw her body so we know where to put her hair. So let's come right to the center, right underneath in the center, and give her a small little neck. And I'm going to curve it out for her shoulders, but right here and come in. So same thing here, come down. So then from there, I'm going to come about right here where her armpits would be. And I'm going to draw a slight angle line down, just slightly. So then now I know where to work with. Let's come back up here. We're going to draw her a little necklace for her. It's just a curve right here on her neck. And then in the center, say about right here, I'm just going to give myself a point. I'm going to bring in this slight curve that comes all the way down for her dress. Right in the center. And then from there, let's bring this line down. We're going to start to create this design in her dress. And I'm going to curve this out on both sides. And then from there, the points, I'm going to come into this area where her shoulders are, and I'm just going to zigzag my way across, all the way down. And same thing over here, just zigzag all the way up. For the details, I'm going to add a very thin line right here. Okay, so then from there, let's keep bringing this down. So and we're just going to start to flare it out. And then let's come back here where we ended this in this area. Let's draw a curve, two curves, same thing on this side. I'm trying to put in as much detail as I can without making it too complicated. So right here, there's another strap. And same thing on this side. And let's continue this down. Okay, so then there's another detail right here. Come into this area, come down here, give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And I'm just going to zigzag my way up to this point, and then come down on this side. And let's see here, and a little detail right here, just very thinly draw another line. So from there, let's come down even lower, and in the center, about right here, I'm just going to give myself a slight angle line. And very lightly, I'm going to draw an angle line that goes up both sides, because her skirt part is kind of see-through. So you will see this part right here. And then let's continue this down. And then let's draw her arms. So her arms are going to come below this point right here. So let's bring this curve down. And I'm just very much simplifying her arms, so they're just kind of at her side. So about right here, thumb, and bring this in, and angle her fingers. So same thing over here. So once again, slight curve. And her thumb's going to be about right here. And bring this down. So once again, her fingers, curve, and in. There. Okay, so then now we can continue her skirt. So let's bring this down more. About right there. I'm going to pop it out a little bit for the bottom of her skirt and keep coming down. Just a little bit pop. And then using this pop, we're just going to wiggle our way to the center and come wiggle all the way back down. And then same thing at the bottom. Wiggle, wiggle all the way up and wiggle all the way down. Some details in her skirt. And let's see here, then her legs. So I'm just making them nicely centered. So come about right here in the center. And let's draw the other side. So I'm just going to have them straight. And a little curve right there. maybe a strap right here. And same thing on this side. There, and then the back of her skirt, so just wobble and tuck it in. So then let's draw some details right here. We're just going to draw some crease lines. So it makes the skirt look like it's going over. You can also do that when you're coloring, so it's not so harsh. But I just want to show you, there's all these lines. For some details. Okay, so pretty much done with her dress. Now for her hair. So let's just wobble all the way down. And I'm going to tuck it in kind of where her hands are. Just tuck it in. So same thing over here. Towards the bottom, you zigzag it a little bit. But that's the basic idea for her hair. And some details right here. So there, hope you love my version of Camila Cabello from her Señorita video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.